Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of manifestation. Specifically, we'll unravel the science behind it, delving into the psychology that drives the law of attraction. Manifestation isn't just about wishful thinking, it's rooted in the workings of our minds. Let's explore how our thoughts, beliefs, and actions intertwine to shape our reality. Ever heard the phrase, "your thoughts become things"? Well, it's not just a catchy saying. Our thoughts emit energy and have the power to influence our actions and surroundings. Positive thoughts can attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts might hinder progress. Think of it this way. Envisioning your goals primes your brain to notice opportunities that align with those goals. It's like a mental roadmap guiding you toward your desired destination. Our beliefs, often ingrained in our subconscious, heavily impact what we manifest. If you believe in your abilities and envision success, your subconscious mind works tirelessly to align your actions with that belief. However, conflicting beliefs can act as roadblocks. It's crucial to align your conscious and subconscious mind towards your desired outcome. Emotions serve as catalysts in the manifestation process. When you feel gratitude, joy, or confidence, you emit a powerful frequency that attracts similar energies. These emotions drive actions, propelling you towards your goals. But remember, manifestation isn't solely about thoughts and feelings. Taking inspired action is fundamental. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. As we conclude, understanding the psychology behind the law of attraction gives us the tools to manifest deliberately. By harnessing the power of our thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and actions, we can shape our reality and create the life we desire. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today.